Hi, I'm Hannon from Sheet Leveler. In this Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the built-in screenshot tool in Microsoft Excel. This is a quick way to capture images from other windows and add them directly into your spreadsheet. Step 1. Insert a screenshot of a full window. Open your spreadsheet. It can be blank or already have data. Go to the Insert tab and look for the Illustrations group. Click on Screenshot. Excel will display all the windows currently open on your computer. Click the window you want to capture, and Excel inserts a screenshot of that entire window into your spreadsheet. You can resize the screenshot by clicking and dragging the corner handles. You can move it around anywhere on your spreadsheet. Once selected, the Picture Format tab appears, letting you apply picture styles, adjust colours, add transparency effects, make other enhancements. Step 2. Insert a partial screenshot, screen clipping. If you only want a portion of a window, go to Insert, Illustrations, Screenshot. Choose Screen Clipping at the bottom of the menu. Your screen will fade, and you can click and drag to select the exact area you want. Release the mouse, and Excel inserts the clipped screenshot into your spreadsheet. Just like full screenshots, you can resize, move, and format your screen clipping using the Picture Format tab. Important note: screenshots and screen clippings float above your spreadsheet data. They don't reside inside a cell. You can layer them, move them, and format them like any other image in Excel. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Like, follow and subscribe, and click the bell to be notified when I post another video.